Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can drag and apply formulas faster in Google Sheets. Dragging and applying formulas in Google Sheets can be a tedious task when you are working with large data sets. But fortunately, there are ways to make this process faster and more efficient. So the basic method to do it is just drag the formula down a column. So you can just enter your formula in the first cells like this of the column. And now you can just hover over the bottom right corner of the cells until you see a blue square or a blue dot like this. You can just click and drag down to apply the formula to adjacent cells like this. And as you guys can see here now, the formula has been dragged down and applied to the columns in here. And you can also use the array of formula function. So instead of dragging, you can use the array formula functions to apply a formula to the entire column. So if you want to multiply, for example, A1 and also E26 and F26, you can just write it like this. So this is just an example. You can just write array formula, and in here you can just write this one first, and then you can go with times and this one like this. You can close this, and now you can hit enter. So this formula will automatically apply to the entire range without dragging. You can also copy paste the formula. So for larger data set, copying and pasting is quicker than dragging. So enter the formula in the first cells or column, and then select the formula cells and type on or press on Ctrl plus C on your keyboard, and then highlight the range where you want the formula to apply. This one, for example, and then you can just press Ctrl V. And you can also apply a formula to an entire column. So you can just enter the formula in the first one and highlight the entire column by clicking on the column header. And you can press on Ctrl plus D to fill the formula down. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.